at his residence as the unfurling of the tricolour is taking place, and thereafter he will be making way to the Red Fort, where he will be receiving Prime Minister Narendra Modi for today's celebration at the Red Fort.
स्वतंत्रता दिवस की आप सबको बहुत बहुत हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
So Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh there unfurling the tricolour at his residence and wishing the same to the other people who are at his residence at this point, where he will be shortly making his way and taking those precautions in mind, as he can be seen wearing those gloves and the face mask, as he will be leaving shortly for the Red Fort, where preparations have been made and special arrangements this time for the Independence Day celebrations, where he will be receiving Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Going back to Jitendra, who continues to be alive with us, and ऐसी तस्वीरें अब बाकी जगहों से भी आने लगेंगी जितेंद्र, अगर हम बात करें तो, क्योंकि थोड़ी देर की बात है, अब रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह आगे बढ़ेंगे, रेड फोर्ट की तरफ जाएंगे और वहां पर
और मैं ये सभी से ये अपील करना चाहता हूँ, सच्ची आज़ादी हमारे लिए वही होगी जिस दिन भारत पूरी तरह से एक आत्मनिर्भर राष्ट्र बन जाएगा। इसलिए भारत को पूरी तरह से आत्मनिर्भर बनाने के लिए हम सबको आज संकल्प लेने की आवश्यकता है।
Well, that was the Prime Minister's vision also, that Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh is talking about, of an Atmanirbhar Bharat, and how the country will be now making its way for an Atmanirbhar, or a self-reliant and a self-sufficient India, owing to the COVID times, and a revival and a reboot that is necessary now in the coming days. And it may find a special mention in the Prime Minister's speech today at the Red Fort, as Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, those live pictures and this reaction also coming in from his residence, will be shortly making his way to the Red Fort to receive Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
In fact, we are expecting that the Prime Minister will